Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Morticia from Wednesday, so let's get started. To draw Wednesday's cute mom, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. So it's going to be about right here, and we're going to start with a big oval. So I'll say about that wide, and then I'm going to round it off on the sides and then connect. There. I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another one. There. Now my two ovals in, let's come back in here and towards the top a little bit, about right here, I'm going to come up with a curve into this oval. And then about right here as I exit, I'm going to swirl it out for a nice long lash. And I'm going to thicken this up. Nice and long. And then let's come back inside and about right here towards this corner a little bit more. I'm just going to draw a circle in here towards the bottom. And let's come right here and give it a highlight. So a circle and shade this all in black. There. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. So same area, but right here, just give a soft curve in the oval. And then as we exit, give a long, thick lash. And then once again, inside. And a highlight. There. So her eyes in. Notice this side's a little bit bigger, so I'll just come in here and make this one a little bit bigger as well. There. Okay, so now I have her eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of her eye, say about right here, and I'm just going to draw a high arc about right here, and then curve it down right over her eye. So same thing on the other side, but right here, nice high arc, and then bring it down. Then let's give her a smile. So about right here in the center, about say here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve that goes slightly upwards and then cap it off. Give her a little smirk. All right, so now that we have her face in, let's come back to the top. So I think it's a little bit easier because her hair is literally right in her on the sides of her face. I'm going to come to the top, let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point for now. And then from there, I'm going to draw a curve that comes up and hits her eye right here. So slight curve, and I'm going to bring it down, and we're going to hit her eye right there. So same thing on the other side. Let's go up a little bit, and we're going to come down just like the other side and hit her eye. Then from there, let's just tentatively bring this down for now. But right there, and then we're going to come back into this space, skip a little bit space, so say about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and give myself a point about right here, just so I know where I'm going, and I'm going to draw a curve for her face. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to draw this curve. There. Okay. So then from there, let's come back to the top right in the center, and we're going to go up with a line about right here. I'm going to go up and up on both sides. So let's bring this up and then come down. So we're going to not go too far away from her face and bring in a curve. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her outfit first before we finish the rest of her hair. So once again, let's come back into the space in the center, give her a little neck, and then I'm going to come down in this area, a little angle line for her shoulders. And then I'm going to stop about right there and then come in and come in. Then let's come back into this space and we're going to cut it off for her neckline to come back in here. A very low V and up. And then draw a little line right there. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit more for her waist. So say about right there, I'll stop. And then I'm going to pop it out a little bit for her hips. And same thing here. Okay, so now we're almost there. So let's bring this down a little bit more. 2. About right there. And so we're going to get a lot thinner as we come in. So about right here, we're going to come in. Come in and we're going to start to straighten out as we come in. And let's bring this down and then we're going to start to curve out. So about here. Same thing. So we're going to end about the same level. And then from there, we're just going to wobble away across. There. So hopefully you feel like this is a little bit simpler than my original Morticia. I've been trying to do 2 versions of each of these characters. One's a little bit easier, hopefully. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her arms. So I'm going to come down right here and curve it a little bit. And then back to kind of like where her armpit area would be. And we're going to bring down an angle right next to her hips to bring this down. And widen it out a little bit because her sleeves are kind of wide. And then about right here, I'm going to curve and connect. So nice long sleeves. And then in this area, I'm going to just pop out her hand. Just curve and then maybe a thumb. And then you can just kind of draw a curve right here to finish the sleeve off. And then on this side, you can do the same thing on this side if that's easier. If not, you want her hands bent. I'm going to put them about right here on her hips. Pop her hip out a little bit. So same thing about right here where her armpit area would be. We're going to come down. So let's work on this side first. We're going to bend it down to about right here. And then let's just go ahead and thicken it up. So long sleeves once again. So we're going to bring this down to about right there and then connect. And then let's put her hands. So a little angle, another angle, and then a little finger. And then once again, just curve it in to finish the sleeves. There. And now to finish her hair. So let's bring this down. And I'm just gonna tuck it in about right here. And same thing here. So this is gonna pop out. And in. Right there. And that that is pretty much it, except I'll give her a heart right here on her outfit to make her my Draw So Cute Morticia from Wednesday. I really hope you love how she turned out just as much as the original Morticia that I drew, and that this was a little bit easier and more fun, hopefully. And thanks so much for watching. If I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.